clarity, courage, and commitment, we bring you the news, not just as it happens, but with context, depth, and understanding. This is more than journalism. This is your window to the world. Vision 360 Global, where insight meets impact. Stay informed, stay inspired.
AI's growing role in spiritual life, a blessing or a challenge. Artificial intelligence is increasingly shaping spiritual experiences, making meditation, scripture study, and religious rituals more accessible through AI-powered apps and virtual communities. From AI-driven prayer assistants to VR temples, technology is bridging gaps for individuals seeking spiritual connection, especially those who are isolated or disabled. Additionally, AI is preserving sacred traditions by digitizing ancient texts and translating religious knowledge for wider audiences. However, ethical concerns arise as AI's involvement in faith-based practices grows. Critics warn that AI-generated sermons and chatbots may depersonalize spirituality, reducing deeply human experiences to algorithmic outputs. Bias in AI training data could also misrepresent religious traditions, while concerns over data privacy in spiritual apps highlight potential risks of exploitation and surveillance. Looking ahead, AI could become an advanced spiritual companion, offering personalized guidance in times of grief or existential questioning. Ethical AI design and regulations will be crucial to ensuring that technology respects cultural and religious diversity. As AI continues to integrate with spirituality, the challenge remains. Can it truly enhance faith, or will it reshape belief systems in unforeseen ways?